Are you tired of sky-high energy bills, sudden blackouts, and never knowing when the next outage will hit? It's not just inconvenient, it's expensive, stressful, and leaves you feeling powerless. Power went out for 3 days. My neighbor's fridge died, mine kept running. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Lucy, did you just flex on your neighbor during a disaster? Honestly, kinda. Yeah, but I was just prepared. I can barely change a light bulb without calling my dad. But I built my own backup generator using Edison generator plans. For just 49 bucks, less than my weekly coffee budget, I got step-by-step instructions so simple even I could follow them. It took me 1 weekend, and my electricity bill cut in half. While neighbors cry over monthly statements, I'm saving money and have backup power anywhere. They give you 60 days money back because they're that confident. The Lost Generator gives you everything. Easy to follow visual blueprints, step-by-step video tutorials, and a full 60-day money-back guarantee. Honestly, I was skeptical at first, but after building my own generator, I couldn't believe how easy it was. Now, I feel secure, knowing my family will always have power, no matter what happens outside. If I can do it, anyone can. Ready to take control? Visit the link below and get your Edison generator plans today. Don't wait until the next storm hits and you're the one with the dead fridge. Get your Edison generator plans now. Imagine never worrying about blackouts or high bills again. The Lost Generator puts power back in your hands, literally. No technical skills? No problem. The Lost Generator comes with step-by-step video guides and illustrated blueprints. If you can follow a recipe, you can build this generator. Plus, you get lifetime updates and support. Don't wait for the next outage. Click the link now and secure your energy independence with the Lost Generator. This is your chance to break free from high bills and unreliable power. Supplies are limited, so act now. Click the link below and join thousands who have taken control with the Lost Generator.